Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by verifying basic connection and power issues before deeper troubleshooting. Check Bluetooth in settings and confirm the keyboard is paired correctly. Verify the iPad battery is above 20% to rule out low power shutdowns. Restart the iPad using the top button and wait for the on-screen slider to appear. Detach any case and reattach the keyboard to test the smart connector contact points. Observe whether typing resumes immediately or if the keyboard remains unresponsive. If basic checks fail, unpair the keyboard and perform a soft reset. Open Settings and choose Bluetooth, then tap the Info button and forget this device. Wait 10 seconds to clear cached connections before attempting to repair the keyboard. Put the keyboard into pairing mode or attach via smart connector depending on model. Rescan in Bluetooth and select the keyboard name to reconnect. Confirm the keyboard shows connected and test typing across multiple apps. Inspect the physical smart connector pins and keyboard contacts for debris or wear. Gently clean pins with a dry, lint-free cloth and avoid liquids or abrasives. Check that the keyboard and iPad align correctly and that magnets hold the connection firmly. If using Bluetooth, examine the keyboard battery compartment and replace cells if needed. Update the iPad via Settings, General, Software Update to ensure firmware compatibility. If problems persist, contact Apple support or test the keyboard with another iPad to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.